We're making Maja Blanca today, according to tradition, topping it with roasted coconut. But we are introducing two alternative ways of finishing and presenting it. Join me and let's find out. Here on Channel Juan, where we grow, cook, and share. You're watching Channel Juan, and this is the Pinoy food series. Let's join Romelo at his small kitchen. The classic way of doing it. Do you think this is presentable enough? This can be boring. We can do better than this. Stay with me because we'll be making a better presentation and finishing of our classic Maja Blanca. Let's do it a la Leche Frita. But first, let's do a review of the ingredients. 1 can coconut milk, 1 cup condensed milk, 1 can evaporated milk. Instead of condensed milk, you can also use ordinary milk, but you need to add sugar in addition to the cornstarch. As usual, the measurements of the ingredients in the description box below. No special skill needed, just mix this combination and then cook it until it solidifies and pour it into a mold. After at least 3 hours in the fridge, this is what we have. So as promised, I'm going to make an alternate or even better finishing by frying this, making it a la Leche Frita. But to give it an even glorious color, I'm going to dip it in egg. I need one more. I'm going to reuse this. Don't think that this is dirty. I've used it before for frying churros. If you're interested in that recipe, it's here. Also in the description box below. It's easily burnt. It's time to lift it. Look at this. Fried. Now we're not yet done. Let's do the finishing. I have here a plate which will contain cinnamon and sugar. Yeah, it's cinnamon. Around the ratio is, try 1 teaspoon for every half cup of sugar. More. Don't overdo the cinnamon. Then now, how about this two, the remaining two? We will not depart from the coconut tradition, the use of coconut for the Maja Blanca. So I'll be topping them with coconut, but this time not cooked. We need extra space here. How about that? 3 ways of finishing and serving our classic Maja Blanca. The classic way, top with coconut,
Not roasted.
a la Leche Frita, with cinnamon and sugar, and combining both traditions, classic plus Leche Frita. Do it now. So I hope you got inspired to do the same at home and do this Christmas. Maja Blanca, finished a la Leche Frita. We know what to expect. It's topped with coconut. I've had that earlier, I know how it tastes, but this I'm curious about. Leche Frita. Wiener. And the combination equally good.
Believe me, all 3 were good, that even our cameraman, to whom all this are foreign, like. Make them at home today. Thank you for joining us, and see you in the next video. If you're watching this during Christmas, Merry Christmas.